We're taking our favorite van out for camping today. We thought it was the perfect opportunity to give you guys a tour.
Let's go!
Yeah!
Welcome to the Kago! So you can charge from here, Japanese type のやつ USB でこれは This battery can be charged while you're driving これは light
My favorite part of this van is the cooking setup. So if we were cooking today, this is what it would be like with the beautiful view behind us. This van comes with a fridge. You can use the battery that charges when you're driving. This is something that's really important. If you're gonna sleep overnight in the Kago, you might get hot, so you wanna open this, but you also don't wanna be attacked to death by mosquitoes. So this will save you. Really easy. You literally just slap it on, it's magnetic. Go in and out like that.
Bye-bye! Time to sleep.
It can actually sleep 2 people. It's really good for couples. We're not sleeping in it tonight, we're just day camping, but if we were, we could both fit in here. So what I really like about this van is the wooden interior. It makes it feel really oshare and nice, so when you guys rent it out, it'll be perfect. This awning has to be the best part of the van. It's attached to the van here. It's so easy to set up. It also comes with this table, 2 unmatching chairs. We're gonna fix that. And yeah, you can just sit here, enjoy your dinner on this table, and look at this view. So here's the views that we are currently looking at. We're in Chichibu. And here is the driving side. So yeah, that was our tour of the Kago. Let us know your thoughts down below and we'll see you next time.
I want to buy it.
Right?
Honestly.
I want it too. This is our favorite van. Let us know what you think in the comments below. Would you want to rent this van? Give us a thumbs up if you found this useful and we'll see you next time.
Bye!